Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Winnette and you are tuned into Cooking with Winn. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make milk candy. Milk candy is one of my favorite snacks from back home. All you need is just two ingredients. It's oil and condensed milk. I personally like to add a little bit of nutmeg. That's just for the taste and the smell. But the decision is totally up to you. You can use just the two main ingredients, which is oil and condensed milk, or you can add a little bit of nutmeg if you prefer that in yours also. So with that being said, let's get started. I'm gonna start by washing my hands first. Add a little bit of soap and just wash my hands before starting my milk candy. That's the first thing you need to do. So now that I'm done washing my hands, I'm gonna turn my stove on. So my stove is on. I'm gonna go ahead and measure my oil. I'm gonna be using 1/3 cup of oil for this can. I got this from Stop and Shop. So if you have a Stop and Shop in your area, you can get that, and they have other brand names too, so you can get that as well. I'm gonna go ahead and measure my oils. I'm gonna pour it in a pot and just let it get hot, okay? While we wait for the oil to get hot, I'm gonna go right ahead and open up my condensed milk. So all I have to do is just lift this part up, put the can, and make sure this part goes in the can. Once it's there, just let it go and open there. So I'm just gonna stop. I'm gonna use the tip of this knife to just remove the top of it. Now I can feel the heat from the oil, and I'm gonna go ahead and pour this in. So once you're done pouring the condensed milk into the oil, continue to stir throughout the entire process. That's all you need to do. Remember I told you guys I like to add a little bit of nutmeg to mine. This is the nutmeg I'm going to be using. The McCormick nutmeg. The ground, you can get the ground nutmeg or you can get the whole one. You don't want it to bubble all the way to like overflow. And you might want to consider like turning down the heat a little bit too before you burn. With my dash measuring spoon, I'm gonna go ahead and measure a dash of the nutmeg and just put it in here. Smells so good. You want to keep stirring all over the pot to make sure it's not burning on one side. I'm just gonna continue this and we're gonna speed up the process. So the thing about this, you have to be patient because it's all about timing. You want to make sure it's at the right color. The next step of this, after it gets to the right color, is to roll and put your thumb in it. Once this sits, it's gonna get really hard. You don't want it to get hard because you need to be able to roll it. We're almost there. So now you see the color. You can leave it at this color or you can go a little longer. But you see the difference when we first started to now. It's better you use a non-stick pan. So this is my color. I'm just gonna take it off the stove and get my pan ready. So I have this little plate over here with oil. I'm just gonna put oil around the pan. You wanna make sure you put oil around the pan so the candy doesn't stick. And also you wanna make sure you get oil in your palm because that's how you're gonna be able to roll the candy. Now take a little bit of the candy, roll it in my hand like a ball, dip my thumb in the oil, and just press down on it like this, okay? Guys, this is tense, like it's hot. You have to leave it hot and roll it because you don't want it to get hard. But in the process of leaving it hot and rolling it, you're going to burn your hand, like your palm going to get red. You see mine right now? For those of you who's planning on throwing a Halloween party, you can incorporate this in it too. It's good for holidays, it's good for parties, It's good for family gatherings, any occasion. If you make this at your party, trust me, everyone gonna ask you for the recipe. And you know where to send them. And this is how it's gonna be. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and hit the notification button. Make this at home with your friends and family, and let me know what you think of it. Any question or recommendation, leave it down in the comment section below. Until then, I'll see you guys later. Bye.